Hello, my name is Bridgette Maria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight I am going to break down the ladies' inside and outside turns, which is left and right turns, and how to prep your own body, what your footwork is, and your spotting. This is something you want to practice and drills to really be good at salsa. Ladies, we have to practice our turns, understanding them. How does our body move? Where's the energy coming from? And if you do this practice, it's going to make salsa so much easier when you're out in the clubs. So I'm going to start with the left turn. This is the harder turn, I'd say, for the ladies. Teaching for many years, I find the left turn challenging for ladies. So I'm going to do it from the side view, and then I'll also do it from a different view. So this view, I'm going to go back on my right, 1, 2, and I'm moving my weight over my right foot on 3, prepping on 4. So on 4, I'm going to be prepping my body out to then turn to the left on count 5, 6, 7. 5, turn 6, 7, 8, and I face my lead, and then I step back. I'm going to do it on this side, and then I'll also do it another angle. So when I set up my turn, even on count 1, I'm going to rotate 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to be looking the direction I'm turning. My lead is going to give me the initiation of the turn. 5, 6, 7, finish 8, and then I would maybe do a cross lead out of it. So I need to be able to be balanced in each of my steps. I'm going to do it this way. As I'm traveling, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, spot, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I'm turning, I must look the direction that I'm going to turn and travel, or the direction I'm traveling. That is going to help my body tremendously. And this is really important to understand what's called a chaîné turn. Is that when I travel, if I'm turning left, I'll just do a chaîné turn. That I look the direction I'm turning. As my body is turning left, I'm looking where I'm going. Just as when I turn to the right, I look where I'm going, even though my direction is turning. This is going to help me to travel and to move easy through the turns. Okay? So now I'm going to do right turn. So I'm going to do this angle. So I'm going to step back with my right. 1, 2, the lead will prep me in on 3, turning me on 5, 6, and I face him on 7. This turn I face on the end of 7, and I will look at my lead at the end of the finish of the turn. So it goes 1, 2, prep 3, turn 5, 6, 7. Let me do it this angle. 1, 2, prep 3, turn 5, 6, finish 7. And 1, 2, prep 3, turn 5, 6, 7. So where am I initiating my turn from? Where's the power coming from? I'm going to use the floor to get momentum. I'm going to use my pelvis, my core, my muscles through here to help me turn. And my head is going to give me speed. So when I set up my turn for the outside turn, 1, 2, prep. This is this leg. I have to push off the floor to get energy and land in a slightly bent leg. So I'm going to use my floor. 1, 2, prep, turn, 6, 7. So this is something you can practice over and over and over. Then you do it with the music. And I'll do an exercise with the music, so you'll have something to practice as a drill. But I wanted to break this down for my students so they can have some home practice of their basic left and right traveling Shanae turns. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.